Hello, today I will show you how I make my phone chargers. So let's start. These are files I'm using. This one is for today, and there's also few versions without the charging options, just the stand. These are the fronts I'm using currently, and this is the transmitter. It can be ordered from Amazon or eBay. Don't forget to switch off these two layers because they will be necessary only when we flip this part. Here we have all the parts, and you can use for this project wood glue, but I'm using super glue just because it's faster for the video. Here I realized that I was working with 3mm plywood and I forgot to cut the other side of the stand, so I did it out of the frame. Kaboom! I think looks pretty good, so let's check it if it works. Nice. Thank you for watching, guys. See ya.